Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabila Rahma and my student number is 45. And today I will present my teaching module for English subject. The topic of this module is introducing my simple application. This module is designed for SMK students, especially RPL major. And it is based on curriculum Merdeka with deep learning approach. In this presentation, I will explain the background, objectives, and learning activities. Background of module. This slide explains the background of the module. In Curriculum Merdeka, learning should be student-centered and contextual. Based on diagnostic assessment, RPL students are very similar with technology, but their English speaking skill is still limited. Therefore, this module is created to connect English learning with their major and real-life context. Basis of module development. This module is developed based on several important aspects. First, Curriculum Merdeka as the main curriculum. Second, the deep learning concept, which focuses on meaningful learning. And third, the result of diagnostic assessment, so the learning objectives and material are adjusted to student real needs. Module identity. This shows the identity of teaching module. The module is designed for grade 10 students in PAS A with RPL as their major. The focus of learning is listening and speaking skills, and the module is implemented in one meeting only, which is 90 minutes. Student prior competence. Before the learning start, students already have some prior knowledge. They understand application and technology well, and they know basic English vocabulary. However, most of them still feel not confident when speaking English, especially when explaining something in front of others. Pancasila Student Profile. This module also supports the development of Pancasila student profile. Through discussion and presentation, students practice critical thinking and creativity. They also learn to be more independent and collaborative during the activities. Learning objectives. The learning objectives are arranged based on Bloom's taxonomy. Students are expected to understand the vocabulary, use simple expression to explain an application, and analyze the benefit of the application related to their major. These objectives are realistic and suitable for PAS A students. Meaningful understanding and guiding questions. The meaningful understanding in this lesson is that English can be used to communicate ideas in technology field. The guiding questions help students relate the lesson to their daily activities and future career as RPL students. Learning materials. The learning materials include vocabulary and simple sentences that are commonly used to introduce an application. The material is kept simple so students can focus more on speaking practice, not on complicated grammar. Next, approach and learning model. This module applies deep learning approach, which means learning should be mindful, meaningful, and joyful. The learning module used is project-based speaking, where students actively practice speaking through a simple presentation task. Learning activities flow. This slide shows the general flow of learning activities. The lesson starts with opening activities, followed by mind learning activities, and ends with reflection and closing. The detailed steps are written in the module. Assessment. The assessment used in this module is performance-based assessment. Students are assessed through their speaking presentation. This type of assessment is suitable because the main focus of the lesson and speaking skills. Assessment rubric. Students' performance is assessed using a rubric. The rubric includes vocabulary usage, clarity explanation, relevant to RPL context, and student confidence. This helps make the assessment more objective and clear. Media and learning resources. Learning media used in this module include video, PowerPoint slide, and example of simple applications. This media helps students understand the material more easily and make the learning process more engaging. Reflection. Reflection is used to evaluate the learning process from the teacher's reflection and material is relevant but needs continuous practice. From student reflections, they realize that English is useful. for explaining ideas in the career future. Conclusion. In conclusion, this module is relevant to SMK RPL students' needs. It supports meaningful learning, applies curriculum Merdeka and deep learning, and can be realistically applied in the classroom. Okay? Thank you for your attention. That is the explanation of my teaching module. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.